in this problem we're going to draw this shape using the given information here, and then we're going to find out the area. So first make sure that ortho is on, then let's check that in that object snap area the quadrant is checked. Okay, so first we're going to draw a line connecting the center points of these two semicircles. So click on the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, and we're going to use the dimension as c equal to 2. So type 2, press enter, right click, cancel. Now let's click on that little arrow next to the circle tool and then click on center radius option, click the left end of this line and use the radius of r equal to a plus b. So a is 1, b equal to 1.5, so the radius is going to be 2.5. so type 2.5, press enter, and then let's draw another circle on the right side of the same line. So right click, repeat circle, I'm going to click that point at the end of the same horizontal line, and this is going to be also 2.5. okay, now let's draw these two lines using the offset value of a equal to 1. So click on offset, type 1, press enter, click this line, click above, click this line, click below, right click, cancel or enter. Now click the line tool, click the endpoint of this offset line, move up, and then click on that quadrant, right click, cancel, then right click again, repeat line, and click that endpoint of this offset line and then connect with the other quadrant for the same circle, right click, cancel, and then let's do it on the left side. Now click the line tool, click this endpoint, click the quadrant here, right click, cancel, right click anywhere on the screen, click on the repeat line, click this point and the quadrant point here, right click, enter or cancel. Okay, now we're going to use the trim tool to trim here, there, here, and here, and right click, cancel. Now select the arcs and line that are not part of this drawing, so select them, press delete from the keyboard, and then we're going to put a shade in this area using the hatch tool. So click on the hatch tool and click inside here, and if you need to change the setting, like change the color or change the pattern, you can click here, the settings, and then you can click the pattern area, and then you can select any pattern that you want, and then you can also same way change the color here. But for now I'm going to use the solid pattern and then use this cyan color for this problem. So click OK and press enter to accept it. Now click this shade and right click, click on properties and look for the areas. So area is 23.635.